Oh yes sir, we back with another video. I'm sorry I've been gone for a while, but it's been bad weather here, lots of snow, and we will get y'all a nice little good cold start because I haven't tested in a while. Yes sir, let's do the dash. As you saw in the title, I'm picking up some pieces for Kuma to get him right. You know, Kuma a little sick right now, so we about to make sure we get this medicine for him. Make sure he's feeling good in this cold weather. But you know, got the starlights on. You feel me? But yeah, we gonna do a little talking drive today before we go pick up this medicine. But yeah, so I apologize for the decrease in videos when it come to IRL content. I've been working heavy, trying to get myself right. You know, this car stuff is not cheap. It's expensive, so I had to give me some more hours at work, and I've been working like 6 days a week, and I get off very late, so I can't even have time to go do things with the car and stuff like that. So y'all gonna see when I get there what we getting. Oh yeah, so by the way guys, if y'all haven't been watching Josh Laurent, so y'all know recently he had a giveaway for a Scat Pack, and the person who won the Scat Pack lives in the DMV. So if y'all don't know, I also live in the DMV. So me and him talked it up. We actually gonna be able to get some videos in. We were supposed to shoot today, but as you see, it's real wet, icy outside, so it's really not a safe place to go do stuff that I want to record. But expect a lot of videos with that car. So the car is down here. It is a real life event. It really did happen. He didn't get scammed. So the Scat is here in the DMV. So let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. I already got a couple planned out, but if there's any videos that you guys want to see on Josh Around Scat, let me know. You know, like, we're definitely going to do the dash and some other things. So if y'all got some recommendations, let me know. And then me and the dude can probably link up, and we've been talking about it. So we gonna get a good day where it's not rainy, it's not icy. It's been snowing a lot here and stuff, so the roads are not safe, but we could get some like inside or garage type videos and stuff like that. So let me know if you guys want to see that. We definitely gonna make it happen. Yes sir. I know I said the road's watery. Look at me going 70. Oh, this man got ice falling off his car. Yeah, I'm not driving behind you. If no. Piece of glass, I said piece of glass, a piece of ice in my glass. Oh man, a couple of my people's glass got broken not too long ago because of people like this. Clear the snow off the roof of your car, please. Snow, ice, don't leave it sitting on top of your car, because it does fall off when you're driving and it can hit somebody's car and do damage to it. Don't be one of these people, man. I don't care how cold it is. Use your hands, your feet, whatever you gotta use, a broom to get that snow off. Do that. Don't leave snow on top of your car, because when it fall off, it's gonna hit somebody's car. Like that joint right there just could have hit my car, and me and that man would have been wrecking. We would have had a problem. All right, we at the destination, and look at this icy beauty right here. So this is Momaz. If y'all haven't seen him on the channel, then you slacking. As you see, he got that Predator mask. Ooh. So he actually is an RT just like me. And he used to look just like me. He had the RT bumpers and everything. And now look at him. He got the Scat Pack grill with the snorkels on it. He got the side skirts. He got the rear bumper. He got the hood. So, you know, it's only right if I do the same thing. So in this video, I will be getting my bumpers. I will be getting my hood. Well, I'm getting my hood later, but I'm getting my bumpers. I have a lot of stuff on the way. We gonna make the conversion kit. He used to look like this, and now he look like this. So I'm about to do the same thing. I'm about to give me my body kit. I'm about to give me some wheels, some new tires. Look how icy that thing is. Icy though. That's like frozen. But yeah, he got some nice things on the way. Make sure you go follow him on Instagram and YouTube. More Dodge, more mods. You got that Dream Mopar. You already know the vibes, man. Dream Mopar, we going far. If you trying to join the United States, you don't gotta be in the States to be a part of the group. I just want to show y'all the whip. He got the splitter on the front as well.
But I couldn't even find it. Took that all the way out. What, you got shells in this mother?
I had a squirrel living in here for a while.
So once we disconnect it, we gotta pop that off, pop that other side off, and then finagle this out without breaking it. Side. See if you got enough leverage to hang on to it. You do?
Yeah.
Okay, hold it. Alright, hold it. Ready? You can use this if you want.
I'll try to get it up this way.
Okay. You're not going to tighten it up all the way. You got to line it up right. So. Yeah. On there, we're gonna tighten it up. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, everything look.
Yep. See, this would be different when you
once
get
I
your
get
bumper.
the bumper.
Right.
Good.
This is set up. Hold it.
You see, oh, he got something real special in the way, so make sure you subscribe to his channel. Check out his Instagram. He back in business. Took a little break, but he back on the streets now. Mopar Predator. Yes, sir. You already know the vibes, more Dodge, more mods. He helped me get my stuff together. So as you see, we have the new and improved Scat hood. with no bezel. Just give me a second, it's coming soon. But we about to get that bezel installed soon. But this came from my buddy. He's also on Dream Mopar. If you're seeing like one of my recent videos, I'll probably tag the video. But he just recently got the Hellcat hood, so I was able to get this off his Widebody. So this is basically a brand new hood, OEM. And so right now there's like a little gap. Don't worry about it. But when I swap this front bumper, you won't see that gap no more. And we be looking like him. So if you didn't know, on his channel he also did the bumper swap as well. So he has the Scat Pack snorkels, he has a splitter installed, everything done by him. So that's why I hit him up, because I know he has experience with putting the hood on the bumpers and stuff. So whatever I get, he's gonna help me put it on, and we'll be good to go from there. So y'all see what he did. He got the side skirt, the new wheels to fit the rear bumper as well, with the diffuser. He also got the license plate cover as well, just like me. The worker bill installed. And if you haven't seen his Do the Dash video, make sure you watch that as well, because he got some nice interior things as well. So check out that interior. I can't even compete with that. That's dangerous. And he might be getting the Starlight soon,
yes,
right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Thanks to my man.
So he gonna be getting the Starlight soon as well. See, he got the shifter gears as well. He got the whole setup on the inside, so it look dope. Mopar Pro to check out for him. And just wait till y'all see the wrap. The wrap is coming soon. I can't wait to see. It will be 20 now here.
Trying to be like, boom.
Yeah, now that I'm getting the bumper swap, I'm gonna wrap it the way I really want it to be wrapped, since I got the whole kit now. So I'm definitely about to switch it up, because this was just a partial, because I didn't have the bumper kits.
Right.
But now that I got the kits, the whole thing about to get changed up.
Yeah, that's right.
So yeah, shout out to him. He helped me. I can't look at this thing. I'm gonna look aggressive. I just gotta get that bezel. Yes, sir. So we official now. Got the license plate covered down. So like I said, bear with me. It's gonna take me like a day or two to order everything, and then we be good to go. Get everything swapped out. So now we got the inside view. You can't really, I mean, you can tell when you're driving the car. The camera really doesn't really show a difference. The hood actually, the scoop covers a lot of the view now, especially with the window banner. I can't see nothing at nighttime. Like if I park too close to the light, I gotta like look, I gotta scoot down and look under the banner just to even see the light. But I don't think it's gonna stop my view that much. I'm pretty tall. I got like my seat set up to where I can see over the hood, so I'm straight. But yeah, it looks dope. So right now, this is the same day I got the hood installed, just like a couple hours later. But I'm about to get the bezel installed. So I was about to order the bezel. Now I don't even gotta order one. My man's got me, so I'm about to put the bezel in front of the in the scoop, and we be good to go. Dang, long time no see, but look at the new wrap. Oh, with the Dream Mopar. Sheesh. That thing, you got the drop down plate. Distinct wraps. Oh my god, that thing go crazy. It's my first time seeing it in person. I've seen the pictures, but that thing goes crazy. Damn. That thing crazy. So if y'all don't know, I actually, well, y'all don't know, but I got my hood from him. So this is a club member. So this is his Widebody Scat Pack. He just got that Hellcat hood, and that's why I have his old Scat Pack hood, and that's why it's blue. So he got the bezel for me to go inside the scoop, and then yeah, you know, slowly transition into me moving on to the SRT body style and getting everything situated the way I need to get it to look and stuff like that. So he got the custom wicker bill with the honeycomb on there. So we got the same wicker bill from the same people, Evil Customs. Shout out to them. But he got the joint with the honeycomb on it. So I'm actually about to get a new one as well once I get my kit installed. And I'm gonna switch it up. The whole car about to be a different vibe. So once I get my body kit painting and everything on, it's about to be a whole different type of car. So look at that, the fuse with the, that's like 5 and 6 inch. I don't even know, them is the huge. My dreams, they full, I think they 4 1/4 or 4 1/2. But them joints look huge, bro. Definitely gonna upgrade mines when I get the chance. But yeah, them joints is nice.